guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I wanted to quickly give you an update or where I've been and what's happening in our home. So definitely this is what I wanted to make this video. It's not gonna be super long, but it will get straight to the point where we're standing. I've been gone from YouTube for 4 whole weeks and I think it is time to come back. I miss you guys so much. But if you follow me along on Instagram where I keep you more up to date there, then you probably know that I decided to take a break from social media. I just been dealing with a lot of stress, anxiety, and depression. And as much as we don't want to talk about those subjects, it does happen. And I am one of those persons that unfortunately has to be dealing with that at the moment. I am feeling a lot better, I want to say, but it does take a toll on you and it's kind of hard to deal with these things. But I think it's also easier to, not easier, but it's good to always talk about it and share because there's other people going through the same things. So you guys know I'm always very open about how I'm feeling and what's happening on this side of the screen. So I just wanted to kind of like let you know what was really happening and why I was gone. And I just haven't been feeling creative. I just haven't been feeling like myself. And I'd rather not come on screen and show you a Katie that you know it's not gonna be the real Katie. So anyways, I am trying to get my motivation back, my inspiration, and also trying to finish a bunch of home projects that we currently are working on the house. And this is what this video is all about, kind of like giving you a home project update. Spring is near, spring is almost here. And I'm getting ready to finish some of these projects for the spring season. Also creating content for spring, that is the plan. So hopefully I keep feeling better and better. That way, you know, I don't fall back into not creating any content for you guys. But I just wanted to quickly give you a little life update before I share with you today's video. So in today's video, you're gonna see that we did some exterior updates. We did make some progress in the pool, and we will share that with you as well. And also the laundry room makeover, which is almost, it's getting closer, I want to say. So those are the big projects that we have going on right now at the house, and those are the ones that I'm looking forward to being done by the spring or summer, hopefully. So yes, let's jump right into today's video. So let's start the video with the exterior renovations. If you watched my first renovation video, then you know that we painted the house, we painted the driveway, and we got a new impact door. So for now, we are extending the driveway. So we're gonna remove those palm trees that you see there at the beginning. And then also we're gonna remove the back palm trees to create more room in the backyard now that we are gonna build the pool and also put a privacy fence on that area. Moving forward to the next project we did was to paint the roof. We decided to paint the roof black. I just wanted the exterior to look a lot more modern. So that's the color of choice that I went for it, and I'm happy I did. So I also wanted to add stone to the exterior of the house. So I went to Floor & Decor, got some samples, and I finally made my final decision after I saw them in the house. And here we went and, you know, grabbed those. This guy used bonding adhesive first to put that all over the walls before he applied the cement and the actual stone. So I just wanted to give you that tip in case you're feeling like DIYing this at your own house, but we did hire someone to do this. Guys, so we are outside. It is Sunday, and the hobby, we just got an estimate for impact windows. That's the next project, but we're outside because we're gonna bring this street down. Let me show you those palm trees over there. We're gonna bring those down and we're gonna extend our backyard space with the front yard. So we're gonna get a new fence and all of that good stuff. Our neighbors lent us this electric saw, but it wasn't working well. It didn't have the power to bring those down. So my husband went to Home Depot and he rented one that is with gasoline, and that has a lot more power. It got the job done. He did hire somebody to do this. Obviously, he helped the guy, but this is something that you can't do by yourself. Also, you need to make sure you get permits to remove those trees and also to replace them later on. So we did all of that jazz, and here, now that you see that the trees are coming down, this is where we're gonna put the privacy fan. My old fence used to go a lot back, so we're gonna bring it all the way to the front where you see my stones there, and that's gonna give us extra backyard space as well. Talk about the pool update and where we're standing with this project. It is one of the biggest projects we have ever done, and let me tell you something, it is the most stressful project that I have ever had to deal with. So if you're gonna build a pool, make sure you're in for the ride. So they did the concrete, they did the plumbing, and they did this is how it looks. This is where the pump is gonna go. Then we decided to remove the old pavers to see if we could use those in the front for our extension that we're doing in the driveway. Then they did the backfill, right? So I felt like we were almost done at this point, but no, 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 no. We were not even near done at this point. After the plumbing was done, they came back to do what's called coping, and this is pretty much the waterline tile and the edges of the pool, the pavers on the edges. And I was excited to see this process because this kind of like gave me an idea of how the pool is really going to look. But now we're stuck here because after that they did electrical and that didn't pass inspection, and we're still waiting for them to come back. I never got to share with you the revised 4D designs that I did for the pool because my previous designs, that none of that got approved by the city. Anyways, this is how I envision the space to go. So let's talk about the laundry room. This is how the laundry room used to look right after we put new flooring, we painted it, and of course new light, and then we got our new appliances, but then we didn't do nothing else. So now I wanted to do some DIY in here. So we moved all the pipes and the electrical down. I found this cute sink at Home Depot, which it was affordable. Here's just a view of how everything looked when my stepdad moved the plumbing and the electrical down. So now that we have this, we're gonna go ahead and start setting up the new sink, and it looks so much better than the old one, you guys. And then they're gonna create a top for me. So I wanted a top area so I could just fold clothes and stuff like that. So this is a DIY version of an idea that I came up with, and they're definitely gonna try to put it all together. All the supplies came from Home Depot. So after using wood to create a support for the tabletop that we're going to be putting here, this is how this wall looks. This is a finished wall that came primed already in Home Depot, so you don't have to do much to it. But I have a cool DIY project that I wanted to do to this top thing. I was gonna first put like wallpaper and laminate it, but I think I'm gonna do epoxy. So stay tuned for that. Laundry room may cover this spring because definitely we're gonna add some cabinets in this space, some shelving. I have some ideas that I want to show you with, but here's pretty much how this laundry room space turned out after the whole DIY countertop and sink area stuff. Guys, that was it for this video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe before you go today so you can see this project this spring completely finished. So stay tuned definitely for my laundry makeover this spring, and these are some of my inspirations.